Okay, so I do have work to do, but I like to procrastinate a little bit because that's what I like to do. And I also happen to have an unboxing. There we go. Just before I left the house, I received the package. You know, when you throw stuff in a hotel room, it doesn't really fling and hit the floor like you do at home, like I do at home. So, this is my tablet. You guys may or may not have seen it in little videos here and there, but love my tablet, use it all the time. I'm trying to squeeze out as much use of it as I can because it was so freaking expensive. But I've got something here. At some point, I realized that I'm gonna have problems trying to type on this darn iPad Pro, 12.9 inch, and I said to myself, I need to be able to get something really nice, like a keyboard or something. I researched getting the actual keyboard that's supposed to accompany this if you wanted to, and I came across one big problem. That problem was it was $169. That's expensive to add on to something that you already put some money down on. So what I turned around and did was I looked into getting an alternative. This is a cheap alternative. It was less than 20 bucks. I think I paid 12-ish for it. And it's a wireless keyboard. Now, let's pretend that this is the first time I'm opening it up. It is not. This thing here, love that sound. This thing here, it comes nicely wrapped. This is just some plain old generic company. They got hello, yada, yada, yada on there. The name of the company is Omotion. You know, it's just your basic variety vendor. The cool part is this actually has an Apple key. There's actually an Apple command button here, which is nice. The color is silver, which is also nice. It's just like my freaking laptop. If it wasn't for all those stickers. I've already paired the tablet with the keyboard, and the only thing I had to do was put in the 4-digit code. It'll show you on there. So that I'm not going to really show you that because, you know, this is just an unboxing to show you what you get. You get a plain old box, you get a little bit of wrapping, you get the keyboard. Once you get in here, you get a chance to, give me 1 second here, there's an on and off button on here. The on and off button is really nice because A, it gives you the ability to save your power. It does use 2 AAA batteries. Now, you may not be able to see this here, but I'm going to just type over here. Once you go in there, you can literally, and even if you can't see the text, you can see that there's some volume being put on there. Command A. I just selected everything that was there. Gonna come over here, gonna change it to bold, and you can definitely see that. So, here's the thing. Is this worth the money? Heck yeah, it is. Is this a better alternative than paying $169? Yes. Yes, it is. Would I pay $169 for something like this or something that closes? No. I can get this here. I can throw it to the side. Ha! There's a couch over there. I didn't really break it. But anyway, that's the end of this video. I've got to go. Apparently, throwing it over there actually kind of hit the keys and all the other things. So this went kind of blank. I'm going to put my pad. There we go. And go ahead and just bump that up real quick. There we go. Oh, okay. The button must be held down over there because we got a fight going on. Dagnabbit. Anyway, doesn't really matter. Here's the thing. That's a good keyboard. Right now, when I threw it over there, I probably got it pressed up against the contrast button, which keeps bringing this down, which is totally fine. Again, it's cheap. That's cheap. This ain't. It worked perfect. I got to get back to studying because apparently I got to present tomorrow. I might cut that out. But anyway, for the most part, I got to study. I got to get back to what I'm doing. You guys have fun watching this video. And I promise to have more unboxing stuff in the future. Better stuff, hopefully. But you know me, I am cheap. For real.